Hello guys, so manuke Eastern Voice te welcome gore ase aji rati la khobor janai di ase Pecktown Public Forum khan bra Sunday din de public statement de janai di she ki Pecktown laga macho te factions kan bishi hwa karne tax manga do bishi uthi ase aru idu do hele public khan pukhibo napara laka ekta tuk ekta hui jashe ko ase idu karne Pecktown Public Forum khan bra ko ase ki idu sal 2026 pra luige na factions kan ekta government aru ekta tax nidia dakto hele tai khan ge tax dia do hele ruki jabo kushe forum khan bra go ase ki public khan tuk pa laka idu tikhi ke na alag alag factions representative khan logo de meeting ekta rakhishe kushe meeting de saba sabi chanai dise ki factions kan bishi hwa karne tax manga bi bishi ha se idu karne idu sal de do hele tax to nidia hui jabo goina janase forum khan bra go ase ki idu laga decision do hele chakisang public organization laga resolution de align guri gana ase aro alag alag civil society organization aro tribal hoho laga principle one government aro one tax laga hisab te ase gushe town macho de sandi thakia ke biya kuribole kushish kurishe kole to itu group khan logo de cooperate nokora hoi jabo aro date public action do hoile thakibo gushe Dimapur airport authorities khan bra parking fees overcharge kura laga allegation deny guri ken ekta statement de janai dishe ki airport bitor de gari aha pick up aro drop off karne 5 minutes to ele grace period ti kushe jide 5 minute par hoi jaise kole to parking fees to hele dade bra charge kuri kushe clarification de janai dishe ki kumba passengers bra idola bode complain kuri she ko ase kumba ke drop kuri gana chulte wapas dade bra olai jaise hele bi airport bitor de khosa karne 35 aro 40 rupees soile charge kuri she ko ase allegation de respond kuri gana director of Dimapur airport pra kushi ki airport bitor de aha time de pick up aro drop off karne 5 minutes soile gari khan karne window khuli dina rakhi di gushe hoile bi jidi 5 minute par hoi jase kole to tate parking fees to hele apply kuri gushe tai khan ba aro gushe ke airport te hoile alag alag rules ase aro Dimapur airport te to hele 5 minutes to hele grace period koi gana di ase gushe aro idula pichi de hi parking fees to charge kori aro parking bi time slot aro gari laga hisab te alag alag mangi gushe aro idu do hele notice board display guri gana ase gushe Central Goods and Service Tax Commissionerate Dimapur khanbra 53.28 crore GST fraud laga opor de ekjon manu ke arrest kuri she gushe ta laga nam do hele Edicot Rehema Barbuya koina janibole parise tai do hele MS Bentang Dushi Mining Private Limited aro MS Givito Mining Private Limited laga ekta director thakishe ko ase investigation de chane bole para to hele tai khan to hele nakli receipt khan ti thagishe aro register premise te ta khan kam kuri gna bi thakya nai ko ase CGST khan bra ko ase ke ekta company laga rupees 27.52 cr aro ekta company laga 25.76 crore me laigena 53.28 cr GST do hele fraud kuri gna thagishe ko ase CGST kambra ko ase ke accused manu to hele January 10 de Dimapur bra turishe ko ase South Kamru Assam de aji morning laga bujor de balu buka tambra ekta to hele control guru le napari gena manu thaka laga korde kiri gena amaru tai laga chukri bacha do hele murai dishe ko ase tai laga nam do hele Saliha Kadam aru tai laga chukri la nam do hele Namar Khatan goina chane bole barisha kobo laga hisab te ido laga incidents te amaro bacha do muri jaise aru alag tinda family members to hele chokam baishe ko ase aru tate ek sal laga murda bacha ekta bi thagishe ko ase kobor jai ase ki authorities kan idia investigation do hele jai ase gushe Kongsa Battalion of Assam Rifle Khanbra Arunachal Pradesh laga police khan logote coordinations kuri gena NACNK Nikki group laga Twitter overground workers extortion ke shamil thaka ke takhan laga operation de thurishi ko ase police khan laga specific information laga hisab te janai dishi ki tuijon manu do hoile Taraf district te arrest korishe ko ase Taijon laga hat pra NSNK laga extortion note, mobile phone, SIM card aro extortion activities laga CCTV footage kan be recover kuribole parishi koi ase. Accused tuijon manu to hoile Kongsa police station de further investigation aro legal proceeding karne handover kuri dishe. Ajir rati karne mani sobke good night.